MVIS Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So looking at Microvision stock, I'm just observing this, and from this lens, actually that doesn't look so bad. It actually looks cool. This is ultimately how my previous chart looked like, and you can see that, like I mentioned, this is looking pretty cool, man. Charts are going to be like this, the text. Come on. Yeah, here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand, because I obviously have the proof to back it up. We'll keep you updated, and unless this was made 14th of January, way before anything happened, right? 14th of January was right here. And after the price just kept. Now, because we're having a little retracement, I'm actually still looking forward to taking things up. And it's only really gonna count though if the price pulls down and gives me a double break here. Other than that, everything is noise. Like, though, that double break is the crucial part, and if it does not happen, I'm just simply not gonna long. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.